Today I'm going to show you how to get multiple phone numbers to ring to just one cell phone. I have an iPhone, but it'll work for any cell phone. You're not going to be jailbreaking the phone, messing with the phone in any way, or possibly corrupting the phone. This is perfectly legal, just need to know how to do it. So that's what I'm going to show you today. Below me you'll see a link, and that'll be very helpful in getting your virtual phone number. What you're going to do is you're going to get a virtual number, and you're going to have that virtual number ring into your cell phone. The challenge usually is if multiple numbers are ringing in, how do you know which business or how to answer the phone? So I'm going to explain that to you here. You click on the link, go and get a virtual number. That virtual number in the call forwarding section will have a couple options. One, you're going to forward it to your cell phone. Number two, it's going to ask you on the caller ID, do you want the caller ID of the person who is calling or of the number itself? And you're going to want to check that you're going to want to check the box that says pick the caller ID of the number itself. And what you'll do is take that number, store it in your phone. For instance, maybe this is your phone line for ABC Insurance Company that you run. So what you'll do is program into your contacts ABC Insurance Company and that phone number. So basically when somebody calls, you look at your phone, it says ABC Insurance Company, you can answer the phone as that. If you have a different business and it rings in to this phone, it'll display right on the cell phone itself. It's really pretty simple. Once again, click on the link, go get a virtual phone number. In the call forwarding section, have it forwarded to your cell phone. Go into the call forwarding preferences and check the box that says to display the number that is being called, not the person calling the number, if that makes sense. And once you try it out, it'll make perfect sense. Go to your cell phone, store the number as the name of the business. So when my phone rings, it says ABC Insurance Company, I know exactly how to answer it. It can be done with any cell phone. You can literally have an unlimited number of phone lines all ringing into your one cell phone. I actually had multiple cell phones at one point, and I was out of my contract on the one. I was able to, before you cancel it, port that number over to the virtual company. So my phone line went from $40 a month to less than $10, and virtually the same amount of minutes. So it worked out really well. So once again, click on the link below, and good luck.